Stop making the same old boring motivational TikToks. Most of them don't make money, and if they do, TikTok will probably demonetize them in a few days or weeks. I know because I tried it myself. I finally got 10,000 followers after working overtime on this niche. But when I applied for the TikTok creator program, I got rejected. Why? Because I was reusing other people's content. TikTok said my videos didn't follow their monetization rules. You've probably seen people on TikTok saying they make money from this type of content. What they don't tell you is how much work it takes to make one 30-second video and how saturated the market currently is. They spend hours editing with expensive software like Adobe Premiere Pro or After Effects for their videos to get stuck at 200 views because of how many people are doing the same thing. But guess what? I've found a new niche that flips these videos on their head. And the best part is, you can actually make money and get millions of views. This method is new and only a few people are using it right now, but their channels are blowing up. They've only been doing it for a couple of months and are already getting millions of views. Here's an example. One channel got 12,000 followers in 5 days. On the second day, they got 8.2 million views. I have never seen anything like this before, and they don't even have a profile picture. How are they doing it? They aren't making regular motivational videos. They're doing something totally different. Instead of using the same boring motivational clips, they flip the concept around and basically mock these videos by using meme clips instead. TikTok's algorithm loves this because it's unique, so the videos get shown to way more people. Let me show you an example.
If you get to heaven, write this down. You get to heaven and you don't find me there, you have gone to hell. That's not heaven.
See? The visuals, music, and captions, all combined with a comedic affect to make this a masterpiece. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to make videos like this using just Capcut, and it's completely free. But I won't show you just how to copy it. I'll show you how to make it 5 times better. And if you stick around until the end, I'll tell you the secret trick these channels use to make all their videos go viral. You can do it too and start getting millions of views with Hopecore TikToks. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this in 10 easy steps. Let's go. Step 1. Find stock footage. First, we need some stock footage for the transition after the opening sentence. Head over to Pixabay, a website with free copyright-free videos. Search for scenic views and download 5 to 10 clips. These will be used to create smooth transitions in your video. Step 2. Set up your video in Capcut. Open Capcut and upload your clip. There are 2 main types of Hopecore videos you can create, which you will be able to make after this video. One is meme-based videos. These are trending right now and getting the most views. Another type of clip is motivational videos. For example, using clips from Kai Cenat's inspirational speeches. In this tutorial, I'll use a meme clip because it's more popular right now, and it's exactly how the channel I showed you got so many views so fast. When you get monetized, make sure your clip is at least 30 seconds long. This is so you can loop it once to reach 1 minute, which is the minimum duration needed for monetization. But if you're starting your channel, you can go with any length you want. Step 3. Edit your clip. Now let's edit the clip. Start by splitting the video into sections. The opening segment, each sentence in the dialogue. Remove any unnecessary pauses to keep the speech smooth and engaging.
You crash! How are you coming fast? Why are you fucking coming fast?
You can leave pauses at the end to match the music as it fades out. Look at the audio waveform below the video preview to find gaps. Use the delete left tool to trim unwanted parts. You want to make sure your opening segment is split into 2 parts, as we will be adding an extra element to the second part to increase engagement later on. Before we move on, I wanted to share something cool. I recently created a new niche in my school community, and one of our students, who's currently in college, reached monetization in just 25 days. You can see his account here. These videos only take 30 minutes to create. In the first 30 days of starting his account, he gained over 10,000 followers and made $600 by posting these videos, all while keeping up with his studies. If you're interested in seeing the results from our 30-day challenge or learning more about this new niche, check out the link in the description. Step 4. Add background music. Now it's time to add the music. The most popular track for these videos is Dramamine by Flawed Mangoes. Download it using an online converter and add it to your project. Find the part of the song where the build-up leads to the drop. Sync this section with the opening line of your video. Leave a small gap in the audio for the second sentence or segment of your opening to follow the viral style.
You crash! How are you coming fast? Why are you fucking coming fast? What is this fucking part? Why are you coming fast?
Use the chorus or drop of the track for the third segment or clip you have spliced. Trim the audio to fit the end of your video. Step 5. Add suspense. For the second sentence, we'll create a suspenseful moment. Add a black screen over the video during this part. You can download a high-resolution black image from Google if needed.
You crash! How you coming fast? Why you fucking coming fast?
Step 6. Add scenic visuals. Now, let's bring in those scenic clips. Import the videos you downloaded from Pixabay into Capcut. Match each sentence in your video to a different scenic clip. Drag the clips onto your timeline and crop them to fit the sentence breaks. Capcut will make this easier by snapping to your edits. Periodically, switch back to the original meme clip.
Don't go anywhere.
I'm not, I'm sitting on my
Don't go
back.
anywhere. I just hit. You hit me, and I just hit the car with my head.
This keeps your video connected to the main theme. Step 7. Adjust the aspect ratio. Next, adjust the video's aspect ratio to 1:1, a square format. Resize all the clips to fit the screen. Make sure the main subject stays centered when switching back to the meme. Step 8. Add captions. Now for the captions, a key part of this style. Add captions one word at a time to create space and make them visually engaging. Use the font Europe Grotesque and keep everything in lowercase. Play the video, pause at each word, and position the text at the right spot. Copy and paste text for each new word at the timeline marker where you paused. Adjust it and repeat. Once the first sentence is done, color the largest words to make them stand out. Add a shadow to all text for depth. Repeat this process for the entire video. Be creative with placement. Look at similar videos on TikTok for inspiration if needed. Make sure you keep playing through the video to check that your captions pop up at the exact time the word is spoken. Step 9. Final adjustments. Play through the entire video to make sure everything lines up.
You crash! How you coming fast? Why you fucking coming fast? What is this fucking car? Why you coming fast?
So I crashed.
What do you mean you crash? I just hit my head. Don't go anywhere.
I'm not.
Don't go anywhere.
I'm not, I'm sitting on my
Don't go
back.
anywhere. I just hit. You hit me, and I just hit the car with my head. You understand what I'm saying?
Make any small tweaks to polish the final result. Step 10. Monetize your video. If you're monetized, loop the video twice to reach 1 minute. This ensures it meets the requirements for monetization. And that's it. Your Hopecore video is ready to go.
You crash! How you coming fast? Why you fucking coming fast? What is this fucking car? Why you coming fast?
So I crashed.
What do you mean you crash? I just hit my head. Don't go anywhere.
I'm not.
Don't go anywhere.
I'm not, I'm sitting on my
Don't go
back.
anywhere. I just hit. You hit me, and I just hit the car with my head. You understand what I'm saying?
Here's the secret some of the top channels use to go viral fast. I have a free school community where we help with channel creation, hashtags, captions, niches, and so much more. Inside, you'll find 2 free courses that take you all the way from account creation to posting videos. In these courses, I teach you everything I wish I knew when I first started. And we also have a bunch of secret niches that aren't available anywhere else. Make sure you join and help us reach 2,000 members this month. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more niche tutorials and step-by-step guides.